Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on a 2006 Saturn Relay. This is the same as the Chevy Uplander. Today we're gonna be replacing the alternator, which is this guy right here. Now a lot of people think, and a lot of people will tell you that to remove it you have to pretty much lower the engine all the way down so you can remove the alternator. But I'm going to show you an easy way how to do it. I mean, it's still a little bit hard to do, but it's easier than removing all the engine, like putting it all the way down and then taking it out. So pretty simple. We're going to have to remove the fuse box. We have to remove the windshield wiper water, and I'll show you from there what we have to do next. We're going to be removing the fuse box. So super simple, just push here, take out this part, just put it on the side from here, and we're going to remove these two bolts using a 10mm wrench. And let's do the same one for this one. To remove, just put a flathead screwdriver. Okay, now we're going to try to remove the windshield wiper water. So there's a bolt right there. It's a 10mm one. So let's take that one out. Using a 10mm socket and some extensions, you can manage to take it out easier. There's another bolt right there. Let me focus. Right there. And there's another one behind this cable right here. I don't know, yeah, right there. Also, you can use a 10mm socket to remove it. Before continuing, I guess it's better if you just remove the battery at this point and take it out, so you can have more space to work on. So you can remove these two bolts using a 13mm socket, and once you move this one, you can remove the battery. This is a 13 or a 12, and same thing goes for the black one right there, and you can just pull it out. Really stupid how they put the battery right here. All right, now we have more space to work on. 10mm bolt, that's right there. There. Now one more. This is the one that's located right here behind these cables. It's that one right there. Same thing with the 10mm socket. Okay, we're gonna remove this pipe that goes here. This is also with a 13mm socket. Once you remove it, you can just pull it out. Now at this point you have to remove the wiper water. So just gotta try to wiggle everything out. There's a little clips that you might have to take out, like this one. There's just things you have to remove right here. It's hard to record. Need to use my hand, but yeah, just try to remove those three plugs and this cable right here, the black one. And once you remove that, I'm guessing there's water going to be coming out. just make sure to put something underneath or whatever. But yeah, just try to remove those 3 cables. I'm gonna do that right now. Let me show you how it is. So it was easy removing those 2 clips. Now you have to remove these 2 that goes here. This one and this one. I'm guessing you just have to pull out. Let me see. Yeah. And then you do the other one too. Right, we can put this on the side. And now we have way more space. Oops, still water going. Stupid. There. Now we're gonna remove this guy right here. Using a T30. So you remove those 2 with a T30. And you don't have a lot of space, so I'm gonna remove the first one with the ratchet. All right, I'm trying to remove this one with this, but it doesn't fit. I mean, right now it fits. I'm gonna show you how. There's this bolt that goes right here. You can unclip this clip right here and just use a 10mm wrench and unscrew it a little bit, and as you can see, it gives you a little bit more movement to push down and remove this bolt that goes here. In order to remove this one in the middle, just put the 13mm ratchet. All right. Now you can use like a flathead screwdriver and remove this part. All right, now if you want, you can remove this. If not, you can just leave it here. I don't think it's gonna matter. Now we have to remove the belt. So to remove the belt, the tensioner is right here. All we have to do is put a 3/8 ratchet and pull up, and that's gonna release tension, and then you can remove the belt by doing that. So just make sure how your belt goes, that way you can put it back once you finish. I suggest you take like pictures, or look, oh never mind, the diagram is right here. So yeah, just put a 3/8 ratchet, pull up, release tension, and then just remove the belt. Let me show you. I'm just gonna use a regular 3/8 ratchet. All right, it's there. Now we pull up, releasing the tension. then just like that, and just let go. There. Now we have to remove the electrical part. So to have more room, remove this hose. Just pull it out. Just put it on the side. And this thing right here, unplug it, and that's a 13mm socket that we're going to use to remove it. Let me see if I can. There. And you can remove this. Just pull it out. There's another plug that we have to remove. This one. So just pull this little plug and pull up. There. That's it. So we took the electrical out, and once I'm here, let me show you. We have to remove that bolt right there. It's a 15mm bolt, so let's use a 15mm socket for it. And then there's also one more right here. This is an easy one. So we're gonna get the one in the back. I'm gonna show you how it's done. All right, using the 3/8 ratchet and a 15mm socket, we are going to remove that bolt. It's a little bit tricky, guys, but it's doable. Okay, we got it out. And now we're going to remove this one right here, also with the 15mm socket. Oh, this is the longer one. So yeah, make sure the longer one goes there and the smaller one goes in the back. All right, there's another bolt. It's here in the back. Let me show you that one right there. Also 15mm socket. You can use the same setup. With this one you have to go more by feel because you won't be able to see. So just make sure you put it in there until you get it right, turn it, and then do the same. Just use your fingers to remove it. I'm not gonna record this one because you won't be able to see. Okay, there. So these two are the same size. Let me see. Nope. So the longer one, as you can see, is the one that goes in the back. They're not exactly the same size. So the longest one goes all the way in the back on the left side. This one, which is the middle one, goes right here. And then the small one goes on the back right. Okay, at this point, the alternator is loose, and we're just gonna take it out and try to wiggle it until it comes out from this side. There we go. That's it, guys. This is how to remove an alternator on this piece of car. I'm sorry for cursing. It's just, yeah, it's too frustrating. The battery part, everything was hard. My back is killing me. But we did it, guys. I know this is the first video on YouTube on how to remove this. I really hate how the engineers create the car and they put the alternator all the way in the back, and it's a pain in the ass to remove. But it's doable with the tools I showed you. It's doable. And the problems I was getting in my van was I was getting a message saying it said the charging system failure or something. I forgot what it says. But all right, guys, it was just a quick video to show you how to remove the alternator. Just replace it, and to put it back in, just follow the same instructions of the video backwards. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, please let me know down below. Please give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what other cars you want me to work on. I always reply on comments. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said before, I hope this video helped you. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the alternator, just in case you need to buy it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, peace.